Okay, so this is a spicy problem because we're gonna use implicit differentiation. Basically, if we want to find the first derivative, we know it. I'm just gonna go straight to 4x cubed plus 4y cubed times y prime, right? Equals, because the derivative of 16 is 0. So technically, if we simplify this and just put the y prime, isolate y prime, we'll get negative x cubed over y cubed, okay? That's after we simplify with algebra. Now, if we want to find the second derivative, we're gonna use the product rule. Okay, product rule. How do we use the product rule? Where we're gonna find the derivative of 4x cubed, which is 12x squared, right? When in this part, we're gonna find derivative of 4y cubed, which is 12y squared, right? Because we're taking derivative in terms of x, we have to multiply this by y prime. Okay, so this is the tricky part. Even me, I forgot to multiply by y prime a lot of times. Multiply by, because we already have y prime, so it's just y prime, plus just 4y cubed multiply by, because we already have the first derivative of y, so this becomes the second derivative of y. Okay, so let me just put the same color for the first derivative so you see it, equals 0. Okay, so if we simplify, we have 12x squared, 12y squared, and if you notice, the y prime is actually squared, because y prime times y prime is y squared, plus 4y cubed times y double prime, right? Second derivative of y, equals 0. Okay, and we're gonna bring it down. If you notice, we know that y prime is this, right? Negative x cubed over y cubed. So we can just replace that with that, substitute y cubed times y prime, y double prime, equals 0. And then we can simplify even further that forgot the square. This square becomes x6 over y6. Remember the exponent law, the law of exponents, plus 4y cubed times y double prime. Okay, and then we want to simplify the y here, right? So this can cancel, so this becomes 4 in the bottom. So if we take it up, that's gonna be 12x6 times y to the power of negative 4 plus 4y cubed y double prime. I'm just gonna put pink for all the double primes so you see what's happening. Now we want to isolate y prime, right? We want to make it into just one side. So in order to do that, I'm gonna move everything that is not attached to y prime to the left, to the right. So it's gonna be the opposite, right? So it's gonna be negative 12x squared, negative 12x to the power of 6, y to the power of negative 4. And then my y double primes, that's gonna be negative 12x squared. I'm gonna divide everything by 4y cubed. I can still simplify this. This is gonna be because everything divisible by 4, right? So it's gonna be negative 3x squared. I'm gonna put the y from the bottom to the top, so it's gonna be y to the power of negative 3, and minus 3x6 and negative 4 negative 3 y to the power of negative 7, using the law of exponents. There you go.